Very damaging.
So the Gray Wolf, here we go. Another brand new one for you guys.
MBRR. I'm getting the feeling that Cherokee likes a lot of letters.
Yeah, I've seen that a lot.
$30,000. I would probably have sold that for $29,900.
It's a toy hauler.
Yeah, beautiful one too. Again, you get the beautiful color scheme. Large garage in the back.
Sure, that's a long one too.
Yeah, it really is.
I think it's a mid-range. Is that a pizza oven?
That could work as a pizza oven. How could it not?
That
Look at
looks
that.
like a
That is
pizza oven
phenomenal.
to me.
Yeah.
That's awesome. You
That's
got
really
a little
cool.
spray hose there with looks like water, hot and cold. I mean, and
Ice maker.
Ice maker. And
Have you ever used one of those ice makers?
Not like that.
Oh, they're lovely.
Are they awesome?
Yeah, they work really well. They actually
I saw
do.
they have you can buy it on Amazon. It makes the crushed ice like they have at like Cane's. It's like little round pellets.
I love those.
I love that, but
Yeah.
it was a $500 ice maker.
I don't love it that much.
I'm not sure I need ice pellets.
No, I don't need
bad.
ice pellets that badly.
No.
No, but those ice makers are really good unless someone named Scott leaves it on a counter and it falls off while you're camping.
Huh? Who could that be?
I don't know.
Where is
Then they
this
don't
Scott
work.
you speak of? Is he the one handing you something
He
right
is,
now?
yes.
Yeah. All right, so there's the floor model.
I'm going to give you the weights real quick. Are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
If we can pause that floor model, 5,300 pounds.
Okay, that seems light for such a long
Yeah,
vehicle.
cargo capacity is 2,400 pounds, 33 foot 6 inches long, 8 foot wide. So it's got some good cargo space there. If you look, that ramp door.
Let's see here.
I'm trying to lean to the side so we can read the numbers, but I still can't read them.
Yeah.
So, anyways, that's the ramp door. You got
Excuse me.
a very large garage, 121 inches at the shortest, 182 at the longest. So you could fit quite a few toys in there. The two sofas that also make into beds, which is really nice.
Yeah.
You got more sleeping space in the back. You still have the queen bed up front, and we could probably pop inside.
Yeah, let's jump inside. Whoa, we did. We jumped
We did right inside. Yeah.
So you can see on the floor right here. This is where your toy would go, right here in the kitchen.
You are so good at that.
So
that was amazing.
There's no wall separating like the garage area. This is your kitchen / garage.
You'll want to turn off your toy.
Yeah, absolutely. Turn that off. Don't park.
You won't
that
want to leave that on
anymore.
all night.
Yeah, you would fall asleep pretty fast.
Yeah.
So there's obviously a microwave above the vent.
Got that cutting board again. That's
Yep.
the backsplash.
That's I'm telling you, it's Gray Wolf's thing. I've learned.
Yeah, and that beautiful farm sink. Again, if you look, you have your sanitation station.
Yeah.
Is that what you said they're calling it?
Hand sanitation station.
Yeah. How about that?
Yeah.
You had a really nice lantern there.
Yeah.
I don't think that goes with
So
it,
you're
though.
ring it, but kind of not.
But kind of not. Yeah,
We're
exactly.
using gas lamps.
You know, and the cabinetry in these, again, we joke around a little bit, but you've got hardwood fronts, hardwood sides. I mean, they're built incredibly well. They also have that little feature like I have in my house where you go to shut them, then they shut the last little bit on their own,
Yep.
which I just absolutely love.
There's a mount for a TV out there in the, garage area.
Little fireplace
out there in the garage area.
Yeah, how about that?
And you say, well, why that? Because you also have out there, and we'll see it right here probably. If we go up there, you go beds.
Yep.
So you
You've
can
got
sleep out there. You don't have to haul toys in this thing.
No, and you've got another bed up top, so you've got quite the little setup.
Yeah.
Some nice storage.
Yeah.
I lied. Yeah, you do have it. There you go. No,
like-
that's the. Oh, it's got the
that's the gates
patio.
for
the patio gates.
Yep.
That's nice.
So we'll head back up towards the front here, passing some storage.
Nice
Little
pantry
pantry area.
for all your canned goods.
Yeah.
And if you have someone you really love in your life, if you remove all the labels from the canned goods in their house, they love that.
They like that?
They do. They enjoy that.
That's
yeah.
pretty good. That's pretty good.
Not that I've ever done that.
Looks like you walk through the bathroom to get into the bedroom. You got a corner shower there.
Nice shower.
Corner showers are a good thing. I think
If you have a
it's using as much
rectangular
space.
shower in a motorhome and you drop your bar of soap and you bend down to get it, you will pop the door open.
Yeah.
Not saying where that information comes from.
That's awesome.
And sometimes you could drop your bar of soap 3 times in one shower and pop the door open 3 times. Yeah, I know a guy.
That is a visual that I'm going to burn out of my head tonight. Heading back into the bedroom. Jeez, now I can't even get to the. There you go. There's the bed. You got wardrobe on either side. All I see is I'm getting you soap on rope for Christmas. For your own good and mine, so you never talk about it again. Some storage.
The darn thing literally popped open.
Yeah.
Do you know how hurtful that was for me?
You imagine how hurtful it was for people standing on the other side.
I'm not going to tell you what my wife heard the third time the door popped open.
Oh my gosh. Hon, come see how you can see the moon from the bathroom. That is not what I expected. I gotta stop talking about it. I'm making myself sick. So there you go. That
All
was.
right, I'm hanging out with Dustin
let's check
again.
in
Dustin,
with
of course,
Dustin.
in Texas.
We're gonna check in with Dustin. I'm gonna shut up and
in,
we'll start this video again. Check in with Dustin down in Dodge City. See
That
how
was
things
kind
are
of
going down
freaky. All right, thank you.
there. Yeah. All right, Dustin, what's going on?